Hi, this is Brian Masters with Shiloh Coffee Supply and Hope Coffee. Today I want to show you a little bit about the Fracino Bambino model. This actually is a two-group luxury model with the white sides on it. And it is a beautiful machine for your luxury home or for a hotel or your small cafe as well. This one is a little bit different from the Contempo that we've shown you before. The Bambino, it has a little smaller boiler in it. It's a 10-liter boiler. But one of the reasons we like this is because it is very compact, but it is sharp looking and works very well. You have two steam-ons on both ends for a two-group, which makes it easy in a busier environment. And you have two group heads in which have the volumetric programmable touchpads, and you can see how to program those in one of our other videos. And then you have a middle water spout as well for any Americanos or cleaning the dishes with that. This is a great model for you to use in your, again, either luxury home or in a hotel, in a small cafe or restaurant, and it will work very well for you. It does run on 220, so again, for Americans who are used to 110, you will have to have a 220 outlet for that if you're going to put that in your home. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your Bambino. Well, thank you for watching these videos from Shiloh Coffee Supply. We have great videos that you can subscribe below on how to use the Fracino machines, as well as how to repair or do any of the maintenance on the Fracino espresso machines and their grinders. Appreciate it very much and have a great day.